Here we have a Volkswagen Polo Mark 6 Hatchback 1 litre 65 PS SE Evo. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include automatic post-collision braking, hill hold control, tinted rear windows and ultrasonic front and rear parking sensors. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes a multifunction colour display, wireless app connect and a composition media system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.